Hi all, good morning. This is Dr. Kalyani. Yesterday we have talked about the intermittent fasting. Okay, how to diet, how you can go about the intermittent fasting and how to restrict your intake so that how will you reduce your weight. That was the concept yesterday. Today I think we can talk about this thing regarding the weight. What is weight? Actually everybody will be having some basic weight. It is called I am 50 kg, I am 60 kg, like that. So it is weight is the thing which is given in the kilograms. So what we are is myself is 60 kg means anybody else will be 100 kg also, somebody will be 50 kg also. That's what weight. And everybody will be having one height also, that is in centimeters, like 5 feet 2 inches is equal to 157 centimeter, like that it is. So 155 centimeter, 165 centimeter, like that we have to calculate the height also. So height weight in kilograms divided by height meter squared, height in meter. So, suppose if I tell I am 150 centimeter, it is 1.5 meters. Okay, 1.5 meter square. So weight in kilogram divided by height in meter square. 1.5 into 1.5 is the meter square. So that gives you the BMI. So BMI only plays very important role in everybody's life. So based in this thing, body mass index is very important. BMI is body mass index. So now I told you the formula of calculating BMI only. Height in kilogram divided by weight in kilogram divided by height in meter square. So you will be getting something. Normal is up to 20. 19, 20 is normal. So up to 24 is 19 up to 20 you can tell it is thin built, normal, slim cunt. But 20 to 24 is a normal build. For your height you are maintaining the BMI. But if it is exceeding 25, it is overweight. So it is 25 to 30 it is overweight, and 30 to 34 it is obesity, that is moderate obesity, and more than 35, 40 and above it is morbid obesity. So like this only we have to calculate our body mass index. Why body mass index is important means to calculate any amount of drug for your this thing, what is the calorie requirement for you every day. All these things depends upon your body mass index. So how to reduce weight? Reducing the weight is just by not by telling I am taking reduced diet, I am taking only this amount of. So many people will be coming and telling me, madam na onnume saapradilla madam, I am not at all taking any breakfast, still I am putting on weight. So our pattern of eating is wrong, avladha. ஸோ பிரேக்ஃபாஸ்ட்டே சாப்பிடல, அதனால ஒட்டுக்கா வச்சு லஞ்சை நிறைய சாப்பிட்டுட்டோம்னா the carbohydrate index what is going to our body gain, no, that is going to be increased. ஸோ நம்ம எல்லாம் வந்துட்டு ஸ்டேபிள் டயட் இஸ் ரைஸ். ஸோ ரைஸ் ஈட்டர்ஸ். ஸோ 2 தடவை சாப்பிடுவோம். ஒரு சாம்பார் சாதம், ஒரு ரசம் சாதம், ஒரு தயிர் சாதம் சாப்பிட்டாதான் ஃபில்லிங்காக இருக்குது மேடம் சொல்கிறவங்க நிறைய பேர். ஸோ வாட் ஐ எம் டெல்லிங் நவ் இஸ் to reduce the rice intake, increase the colored food in your plate. So take a plate, half of it you take rice. So not a big plate. It is your plate should be 1 feet diameter. That's it. Not more than that. 30 centimeter diameter plate la 1 half la vandu rice. That mean to say 2 handful of rice. That is, and this half is divided into quarter, and that 1 quarter la you can take 2 pieces of chicken, channa, paneer, any proteins, vega vaitha channa, paneer, matar, anything you can take. Adu kuda or 2 pieces of chicken or egg white alone, or anything, any protein rich diet in that. And another quarter la you can take green leafy vegetables. எல்லாமே வந்துட்டு கலர்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கணும். பீட்ரூட் எடுத்துக்கிறீங்களா, கேரட் எடுத்துக்கிறீங்களா, தட் அண்ட் ஆல் இஸ் ரிச் இன் பயோட்டின்ஸ், அட் ரிச் இன் கெராட்டின்ஸ். ஸோ ஸ்கின் பார்த்துக்கோ, கண்ணு பார்த்துக்கோ, எல்லாமே இருக்குது. ஸோ தினமும் காய்கறிகள், பச்சை காய்கறிகள் கூட கீரை வகைகள் எடுத்துக்கோங்க. ஒயிட் content of the food should be reduced and colored content of the food should be increased. அப்படி சாப்பிட்டீங்கன்னா it will be a balanced diet and that will keep a check on your weight also. Thank you.